It's been documented that 64 million people worldwide suffer from cardiovascular abnormalities. And here in Nigeria, the indices, the statistics are not different. So basically what we're doing is identifying those patients who have abnormalities that can be treated and prevent them from having a myocardial infarction, having a cardiac arrest, and ultimately preventing sudden death among Nigerians.
He has been suffering for this thing since June last year. The way they explain the condition of the sickness to us, we have lost hope. Nobody believed that anybody was going to help us again because we cannot afford the expenses. May God bless Aisha Buhari Foundations and everybody that is involved for our brother to recover from this sickness.
One major problem is the awareness, and the other problem is the finances, which a lot of people do not have. So this program, this partnership has come in place to help identify those people who are indigent, who are not able to have cardiac procedures, and instead of abandoning them to their own fate, the Office of the First Lady and Future Assured has collaborated with Cedarcrest to identify these patients, provide the funds for their treatment, complete funds for their treatment, and ensure that they get treated and their lives are better off, okay, and their lives are prolonged.
Yeah, so I think I commend what the Aisha Buhari Foundation is doing, and we hope that we will see more and more of this in the area of cardiology and cardiovascular disease.